Good morning students. Fundamentals of Information Technology November 2015 உடைய யூனிவர்சிட்டி கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர் பார்த்துட்ருக்கோம். பார்ட் ஏ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், வாட் இஸ் பேஸ்? A number base is the number of digits or combination of digits that a system counting uses to the represent number. A base can be any whole number greater than 0. The most commonly used number system in decimal system, commonly known as base 10. Second question, define sorting. Sorting is any process of arranging items systematically and has two common, 8 distinct meanings: ordering, arranging items in a sequence order by some creation, categorization, grouping items with similar properties. Third one is write any two Boolean law. First law is the basic law of Boolean algebra, can be stated as follows. Commutative law state that the interchanging of the order of operands in a Boolean equation does not change this result. For example, OR operator a plus b equal to b plus a. The second law, commutative law, allowing change in the position for addition and multiplication. The associative law allowing the removal of brackets for addition and multiplication, as well as distributive law allowing the factoring and expressions are the same as in the ordinary algebra. Fourth question is give feature of C language. Simple, machine independent or portable, mid-level programming language, structure query language, rich library, memory management, fast speed, pointers. Fifth one is what are the two types of number system? Number system gives to four types: binary, octal, decimal, hexadecimal. Binary number based system oda base வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா 2, used digits வந்து 0 and 1. Octal means base 8, 0 to 7. Decimal means base 10, 0 to 9. Hexadecimal means 16, 0 to 9, and A, B, C, D, E, F. These are the used digits. Sixth one is define database. Database also called electronic database, any collection of data or information that is specially organized for rapid search for retrieval by a computer. Database are structured to facilitate the storage, retrieval, modification and deletion of data in conjunction with the various data processing operations. Seventh one is what are purpose of bullet and numbering. Bullet and numbering is a paragraph level attribute that applies a bullet, character or a numeral to the start of the paragraph. Applying a bullet is straightforward. Numbering is a bit more complicated. Eighth one is what is aligning test. Align or alignment is term used to describe how test is placed on the screen. For example, test align. Test creates a straight line of test on the left side of the page. Test can be aligned along the edge of the page, cell, div, table or another visible or non-visible line. Ninth one is give the name of the popular web browser. There are 4 leading web browsers: Explorer, Firefox, Netscape, Safari, but there are many other browsers available. Internet Explorer is a product from software and Microsoft. This is the most commonly used browser in the universe. 10th one is mention the name of the hardware which is used to connect internet. The primary piece of hardware you need is modem. The type of internet access you choose will determine the type of modem. You need dial-up access, uses a telephone modem. DSL services uses DSL modem. Cable access user cable modem, and satellite services use a satellite adapter. 11th one is what is home page. A home page is a web page that serves the starting point of website. It is the default web page that loads when you visit a web address that only contains domain name. The home page is located in the root directory of a website. Most web servers allow the home page to have one of the several different file names. 12th one is define software. Software is a set of instructions, data or programs used to operate computers and execute specific tasks. Opposite of hardware, which describes the physical aspects of computer. Software is a generic term used to refer to the application, script and programs that run on a device.